Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is SAP recruitment for freshers, and the job role for that is quality associate. So within the quality associate you will be working under software design and development area. So then we shall see the job details. So the company name it is SAP, and the job profile is quality associate, and the work area within this is software design and development, and the work location is Bangalore, and the qualification needed for this job role is for BE or BTech, ME or MTech or MCA graduates are eligible to apply for this job role, and the experience needed for this job role it is for 0 to 3 years of experience. So both freshers and experienced graduates are eligible to apply for this job role, and any batch are eligible to apply. So next thing is the skills that is needed for this job role. So the first thing is the knowledge of database. So you should have knowledge of any one of the database, and then after that you should have knowledge of at least one HTTP load generation software, like it can be load runner or it can be JMeter. So this is added an advantage. So if you do not know, then also it is fine. And then so bit knowledge of cloud technologies, and then after that so you should have knowledge of any one of the scripting programming language. It can be javascript, python or ruby. So this is needed. So you should have knowledge of either one of the scripting programming language, and then knowledge of database, and if you have knowledge of cloud, then it is an advantage. So these are the job details and the skills that is needed for this job role. And then coming to the application link, the first step is you need to create an account. So if you already have account, then you can directly fill the form. So if you don't have account, then first create your account, register, and then later you can fill all the details. So wherein you can add your education details, experience. So if you don't have experience and if you are a fresher, you can add internship details or any other courses you have done. So you can mention those, and then you can agree few terms, and then you can complete your application and then submit it, and your profile will be created. So this is all about the skills and the job details. So SAP, it is one of the great company to start your career as a fresher. So the application link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job role immediately. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.